This is a 2008 Lexus GX 470. It features a 4.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, a power sunroof, cooled seats, an 11-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, variable valve timing, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, a steering wheel with memory settings, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Lexus qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Toyota of Irving is located at 1999 West Airport Freeway in Irving. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.